This year I'm buying gifts for me. That's right, I'm buying gifts for me. I got myself, that's guaranteed. It's me I love to please. They don't know what I need. What do you get for the girl who's got everything? That's what they say.